Seniors, how are you today? Let's talk about our plan for Thursday, April 2nd, and head to the Schoology page. Go to Unit 9, Economic Systems. That's our current unit. And today we're going to be starting the content of the course. So first we can check the resources for a couple things. One, you'll find the learning targets for this unit. Certainly not going to read through all of these, but basically it's about economic systems, the difference between, for example, a market economy, which we're more like, and a command economy, which is what the North Koreans use, for example. We're somewhere in the middle there, called a mixed economy, but definitely leaning towards a market economy. And that's what this unit's about. It's about all the different kinds of economic systems. The plan here under the Unit 9 Economic Systems class log for today is as follows under the date. First, complete the April 2nd due now assignment and try to get that done by 2. That's how we keep attendance. One thing about those due now assignments is they're not really about anything of value educationally. It's just a way for you to check in and for me to do attendance and also for me to give you some easy points. Second, the first assignment in this unit is to complete the Intro to Economic Systems video assignment. You'll find that under assignments, and I'll show you that here in a second. And that's due on Monday, April 6th. The third, thing is to complete the Chapter 2, Section 1 assignment. It's just some questions from the very first section of the unit. And that reading, Chapter 2, Section 1, is found in resources. And I'll show you where that is here in a second also. And then the last thing to mention here, under number 4, is on Friday, April 3rd, we're going to have a Schoology video conference from noon to 12:30. If you'd like to come in and ask a question or just connect in a video conference, it's a pretty easy way to do it. I've done it with a couple other classes. And the way it works is if you look on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find a link to conferences. If you click on that link, you'll see that there's a conference already established here. And all you need to do is click on the title. That'll be hot, I think. And I'll be the one to start the conference, but you'll just click on it. And that's what we're going to be doing on Friday. So if you have questions or just want to connect, both courses can fit within it. So I'd love to see you guys on Friday from noon to noon 30. Other things worth mentioning here. Now going back to the unit, going back to economic systems here. The assignments are found under the assignments tab, and you'll see those here. There's the due now assignment. There's the Intro to Economic Systems video assignment, and there's the Chapter 2, Section 1 assignment. The reading can be found under the Resources tab. So if I click on Resources, that's where you'll see the learning targets, and then this is the reading right here, Chapter 2, Section 1 reading. So you can have that document open while you are answering those questions. And that's all I have for you today. I hope everybody is getting by. I hear Schoology is not behaving appropriately. It is what it is. I know you guys have been through a lot. This is not an easy thing, but I am going to do my best to get you through this last trimester because I feel the worst for you as students as seniors. You've had a rough go of it, and this is not an ideal scenario, obviously. But hey, control what you can control. Ask for help when you need it. I'm going to help you as much as I can, and that's about all I got. Have a great day, and hopefully I see you guys soon.